Welcome to Italian Express. Learn Italian. At first, we'll know, I know how to do. I know how to do in Italian. So come fare. So come fare means I know how to do. Okay? Here, so means I know. Okay? So means I know. Come means how. Fare means to do. Okay? So we can say fully, so come fare means I know how to do. Okay? I know how to do in Italian. So come fare. Then I know how to go. I know how to go in Italian. So come andare. So come andare. So come andare means I know how to go. I know how to go. Okay? In Italian, so come andare. Here, so means I know. Come means how. Andare means to go. Andare means to go. So we can say so come andare means I know how to go. Then I know how to come. I know how to come in Italian. So come arrivare. So come arrivare. So come arrivare means I know how to come. Okay? Here, so means I know. Come means how. Arrivare means to come. So we can say so come arrivare. So come arrivare means I know how to come. I know how to come. Then I know how to eat. I know how to eat. Okay? I know how to eat in Italian. So come mangiare. So come mangiare. So come mangiare means I know how to eat. Okay? Here, so means I know. Come means how. Mangiare means to eat. So we can say so come mangiare means I know how to eat. I know how to eat. Then I know how to cook. How to cook. I know how to cook in Italian. So cucinare. Here we totally know. So cucinare means I know how to cook. Here we don't use come. Okay, in Italian come. But we know so cucinare means I know how to cook. Okay, we remember this. So cucinare, I know how to cook. Then I know how to help. I know how to help in Italian. So come aiutare. So come aiutare means I know how to help. I know how to help. Here, so means I know. Come means how. Aiutare means to help. So we can say so come aiutare means I know how to help. I know how to help. So come aiutare. Then I know how to write. I know how to write in Italian. So come scrivere. So come scrivere means I know how to write. Okay? So come scrivere, I know how to write. Here, so means I know. Come means how. Scrivere means to write. So we can say so come scrivere means I know how to write. If you like this video, then don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Then I know how to read. I know how to read in Italian. So come leggere. So come leggere. So come leggere means I know how to read. I know how to read. Okay? Here, so means I know. Come means how. Leggere means to read. Okay? So we can say so come leggere means I know how to read. So come leggere, I know how to read. Then I know how to make. I know how to make. In Italian, so come fare. So come fare means I know how to make. Okay? Here, so means I know. Come means how. Fare means actually to do, but here we can use to make. Fare means to make. Okay? So we can say so fare, so come fare means I know how to do. Sorry, how to make. We can use also I know how to do. Okay? So if you when need to make, then we can use so come fare. Okay? Then I know how to know. I know how to know in Italian. So come sapere. So come sapere means I know how to know. Here, so means I know. Come means how. Sapere means to know. So we can say so come sapere means I know how to know. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.